In this video, I'll be reviewing FreeTaxUSA versus TurboTax. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to look at the similarities and then move over to the differences. So, starting with the similarity, the first one we have is federal and state filing. So, I'm just going to write it down. Federal and state filing. So both FreeTaxUSA and TurboTax allow you to electronically file your federal tax return, potentially accelerating your refund. They also offer the option to file your state tax return for an additional fee. This flexibility ensures you can handle both federal and state filings in one place, regardless of your location. The next one we have is mobile app availability. Mobile app availability. Both platforms understand the convenience of mobile tax prep. They have user-friendly mobile apps that allow you to file your taxes on the go, whether you're catching up during your lunch break or working from home. This on-the-move accessibility can be a game changer for busy individuals who value the ability to work on their tax return whenever a spare moment arises. The next one we have is secure online filing. Secure online filing. So, both FreeTaxUSA and TurboTax prioritize the security of your sensitive tax information. They utilize robust encryption methods and secure servers to safeguard your data throughout the filing process. This ensures peace of mind knowing your personal and financial details are protected. Now, that is it for the similarity. Let's go ahead and look at the difference. The first difference we have is cost. So I'm just going to write it down. Cost. So let's look at FreeTaxUSA first. It lives up to its name by offering completely free federal tax filing. You only pay an additional fee around $15 for each state return you need to file. This makes it a highly attractive option for budget-conscious taxpayers. Now, looking at TurboTax, it provides a free version for simple tax returns, but most users will encounter upsells or hidden fees as they navigate the filing process. Complex tax situations can lead to significantly higher costs, with TurboTax potentially reaching hundreds of dollars. The next similar difference we have is features. So, looking at FreeTaxUSA, it offers a user-friendly interface with basic functionalities for straightforward tax situations. Limited guidance and support are available. This streamlined approach is suitable for users who are comfortable navigating the tax filing process independently. Now, on the other hand, TurboTax provides a more comprehensive suite of features, including in-depth guidance, interview-style filing for beginners, and audit support. This can be invaluable for those who are new to filing taxes or have complex situations requiring extra assistance. However, this complexity can be overwhelming for some users who simply want a quick and easy filing experience. The next difference we have is target audience. Target audience. So, FreeTaxUSA appeals to budget-conscious individuals with relatively uncomplicated tax situations who are comfortable with a do-it-yourself approach. This makes it a great choice for students, young professionals, or those with minimal deductions or credits. Now, on the other hand, TurboTax caters to a broader audience, including beginners, families, and those with more complex tax situations. The additional guidance and support features come at a price, but can be worthwhile for those who need extra help navigating the intricacies of tax filing. Now, let's look at customer support. So, looking at FreeTaxUSA, it offers limited customer support options, primarily through online resources and frequently asked questions. Live chat or phone support is not readily available in the free version. This is a consideration for users who may prefer more readily available assistance during the filing process. On the other hand, TurboTax provides multiple customer support channels, including phone support, live chat, and online resources. However, this support often comes at an extra cost depending on the chosen package. This tiered approach allows users to select the level of support they need, but can add to the overall cost. Alright, now let's see what should be the right platform for you. So, choosing the right service. So now I'm going to talk about some factors which you should consider before going for either of the services. So the first factor is tax complexity. Tax complexity. So evaluate your tax situation. If you have a straightforward return with minimal deductions or credits, FreeTaxUSA could be a great cost-effective option. For complex tax situations with investments, self-employment, or other intricacies, TurboTax's guidance features might be worth the extra cost. The next one is obviously budget. So consider your budget and how much you're willing to spend on tax preparation. FreeTaxUSA is a clear winner for pure cost savings, while TurboTax offers additional features at a premium. The next factor is comfort level. So think about your comfort level with tax filing. If you're comfortable navigating forms and instructions independently, FreeTaxUSA might suffice. If you prefer more hand-holding and guidance, TurboTax could be a better fit. And lastly, it's audit support. While both platforms offer some level of tax filing accuracy guarantees, TurboTax stands out with its additional audit support for a fee, obviously. This can provide peace of mind for those who worry about potential audits. Now, to conclude, both FreeTaxUSA and TurboTax offer solutions for electronically filing your taxes. The ideal platform depends on your specific needs and budget. By carefully considering these factors, you can select the service that best suits your situation and ensures a smooth tax filing experience. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.